Today I'm going to be reviewing Dif Deco's strawberry cake mug, 8.5 ounce size. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. This is the box it comes in. It comes well packaged, but let's take a look at what we got here. Very nice. I'm going to put the dimensions up on the screen. That's what it looks like on the inside. There's the bottom, hand painted here. What's really nice, most important to me, you can microwave it. It's dishwasher safe, easy to clean. Very nice for the holidays or any time for some coffee or tea. Really like, it's actually really nice. I showed her the wife. She's the first thing she says, oh, that's cute. That is exactly what I wanted to hear. It does have the glaze, everything. It's even, sometimes it's not glazed on the inside. It's fully glazed, easy to clean, put it on there. No gasket or anything. So this isn't meant for like candy or sugar. It's just overall nice. I mean, there's not too much to say about cups and stuff. It's not cheap or anything like that. It's well packaged and could be a nice gift or something nice to just put out there when you're having some coffee or tea. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.